Thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name is Jason. Let's take a look at our 2016 Nissan Rogue SL. This vehicle features great options like navigation, leather heated seats, a panoramic moonroof, and more. Starting with front right here, you can see great styling. Of course, you got your fog lights down below. Up above, your LED swoosh light there for your daytime running accent lights. You got halogen low beams, and then an auto leveling projector LED high beam. Moving over to the side, you get nice 18-inch alloy wheels, as you can see, with disc brakes all the way around and a tire pressure monitoring system. Up above, integrated turn signals into the mirror caps for added visibility. And then underneath, you can see one of the little buttons for your round view camera system. 4 cameras are placed strategically around the vehicle in order to be able to maximize visibility when you're backing up. Passengers in the rear also benefit from rear privacy tint. You can see nice chrome accents around the windows. And you can see right there, you've got your fuel filler. In the actual trunk area right here, getting a little closer, you can see you get an awesome power lift gate right there. And of course you got the divide and hide storage system. You also get your rear tonneau cover for added privacy if need to. And then of course lighting and power just behind that. Closing up that power lift gate right there, you can see again, nice side profile view with great styling. You also have roof rails, and you can purchase crossbars from our parts department if you so desire. As we get a little closer here, you can see a little button for your intelligent keyless entry system. You leave your keys in your pocket, push that little button right there, and the car will unlock. And then you can hop in, push the start-stop engine button, and drive away without ever having to take keys out of your. Getting into the interior now, you can see nice leather accents right here in the driver's door. You get an automatic window on the driver's door, and then all of your power window buttons, your lockout buttons are right there, and your mirror adjuster. Nice 6-way adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support and perforated leather for added comfort on long drives. The rear of the vehicle hosts so much of the same. You can see all those same design accents continue there. The seats do tilt back for added comfort, and you have a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat, and then the ability to fit in 2 car seats along with air louvers for added comfort for rear passengers. To the left of the steering wheel right here, you can see your eco and sport buttons, your traction control, power liftgate with the lockout button right there, hill descent control, all-wheel drive lock, and then buttons for your audible warnings for things like your blind spot monitor system, as you can see right there, and your forward collision prevention system. Sitting behind the steering wheel now, you'll notice it's a beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel with all of your audio system and information system controls on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, continue your cruise control options and your Bluetooth buttons. In between the gauge cluster right there, you can see a nice 7-inch screen giving you all the information you need for things like your driving aids, tire pressure monitoring system, any warnings or settings you would like to change, range, average speed, fuel economy, and of course your turn-by-turn navigation directions can pop up there as well. This vehicle is equipped with a Bose premium audio system, so for added awesomeness, you've got, I think it's 11 or 13 speakers placed around the vehicle right there that give you great concert sound, and it's like you're sitting in a concert hall when you're listening to your favorite tunes. You also get Sirius XM satellite radio along with your AM and FM presets, as you can see right there. You also get CD and auxiliary inputs that also support Apple devices connected via USB, USB flash drives, Bluetooth streaming audio, and even a regular old Android phone as well can be hooked up there via USB for audio preferences. You can find those little USB slots and that little auxiliary port and a power plug just underneath your climate control buttons. So you can see right here your climate control. You get dual zone climate control, 2 dials in order to be able to set up your temperature for both driver and passenger. And then of course you've got an automatic system, so you can let the system choose where to blow that air until the desired internal temperature is achieved. Shifting the vehicle into reverse brings up your round view monitor system, so you get your nice bird's eye view with moving object detection. So if something moves into your field of vision, it'll boop, light up and give you an audible warning. You also get the turn lines, as you can see right there, and the camera can also give you distance for parallel parking for added safety and less chances of scratching your alloys. Shifting the vehicle into park brings up the front camera, as you can see right there, so even if you are pulling into a space going 10 kilometers or less, you can bring up the camera button and make sure you don't scratch any bumpers. That's going to be what your shifter looks like, and then lastly, those are your heated seat buttons. And then, as we open that up, that's going to be what your glorious panoramic moonroof looks like. Thing's just huge, huge. That's been a quick tour of our 2016 Nissan Rogue SL, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday and 9 to 5 on Saturdays. Of course, we're always open online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me here today. We'll catch you in the next one.